Today I would love to demonstrate for you how to use iBooks, which is an app that is preloaded on your iPad. You might not realize that it has great capabilities for using with digital speech therapy materials. So I'm going to show you how to open a document, a resource on your iPad and then put it into iBooks with just a couple of seconds and have a wonderful interactive activity right there. So let's take a look. Okay, so as you can see, iBooks is already on your iPad. So the way to get your resource into iBooks would be you either email it to yourself and download it from your email, or you can just download it right from the source. So in this case, I'm downloading a resource from Teachers Pay Teachers. And once it downloads, you'll be clicking this box right here with the arrow coming out of it. When you do that, you can scroll over to Copy to iBooks so that your resource will open in iBooks. And from there, you can scroll through the pages if you want to, or since this one is interactive and the buttons are clickable, you can just hit the buttons to go where you want to go. So part of the interactive component of this PDF is that these little check boxes can be checked off. So you could use this with an activity as reinforcement or just by itself for quick drill. The navigation over here is also interactive, like that. You can go back to the home button. So you can put any PDF as an iBook. The ones that have the interactive components would obviously be more interactive with the clickable buttons and check boxes, but it's an awesome way to make any resource digital so that you don't have to print it all out. Okay, so I hope that quick demo was helpful to you so that you could see how to use iBooks. It's, as you saw, really easy to open something in iBooks and then it's saved there. So it's really an awesome tool for therapists who travel between schools or on home visits and they might not have internet access at their different locations, and so they can just pull up a resource on their iPad and not have to worry about being connected to Wi-Fi. So yeah, check it out. Again, interactive PDFs are perfect for iBooks, but you can open any PDF in iBooks. You just are looking for maybe the ones that have the interactive capabilities to do the check boxes and the clickable buttons and whatnot. So hope that was helpful. Thank you.